Emma will paint on 140-pound mixed media paper. Her first choice of color is Black Emerald from COLOURARTE'S. Emma painted the grass near the bottom of her page with Black Emerald, and now she's using Red Ruby. Twinkling H2Os are hard pan watercolors and need to be activated with water a few minutes before you begin. Give it about 5 to 10 minutes at least, just by spritzing it with water on top of the color. Emma allowed the grass area to dry a bit before she started with the Red Ruby, because if you paint wet paint into wet paint, it's going to spread and bleed together. Here she's switching to the color Mandarin Citrine. If you watch closely here, you'll see that her Mandarin Citrine and her Red Ruby are blending together, giving it a nice soft effect where the legs join onto the hen. That's known as painting wet into wet. It's easy to mix Twinkling H2O colors while they're still wet or after they dry. Emma uses the Ruby Red and then she goes over it with Mandarin Citrine to get the orangish color for her beak. To paint the wattle and comb on the chick, Emma switches to Watermelon Mist. For her chick's wings, she goes back to Mandarin Citrine. By this time, the wattle is dry enough to add a second coat to give it a deeper, richer color. On the tail feathers, she uses the Ruby Red again, in addition to the Watermelon Mist. This gives an overall unity to her colors and gives balance to her composition. The next color that she will use seems to be one of the all-time favorites of every color art fan, and it is Solar Gold. Now for a few final touches. This was Emma's very first video with the CAMS design team for middle school artists. I hope you'll give her a lot of encouragement by giving her a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, share with other people so they can see it, and give her a comment. If you want to see more art by CAMS artists in middle school, subscribe to Studio ABC and to Color Arts YouTube channels. Thank you so much for watching.